National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for Calhoun County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, East St. Charles County in south-central Missouri, Madison County in north-central Illinois, St. Louis City in east-central Missouri, until 10:30 a.m. At 3:39 a.m., multiple areas reported thunderstorms producing a heavy rain in between 2 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall of 4.8 to 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpass, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding includes Golden Eagle, Deer Plain, Campville, Blackjack, Spanish Lake, Alton, Carlisle, Belleville, St. Charles, Maryland Heights, Ferguson, Hoffman, Swansea, Mount Vernon, and Shiloh. This includes Interstate 50 in Illinois between exits 216 and 234. This also includes Babler Memorial State Park and Mastodon Historic Site. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.